If you have iron board like this and leave the marks when you press the clothes, so I have a hack for you. You get this kind of fabric from the clothes store. It has two layers, one is silver and the other layer is the thick layer. So this is the pattern that it needs to cut like that. So first pin it up. I am doing like you can see how I am doing it, and then after that I cut the fabric and I double the layer, and after that I pin it up, and I was checking that the measurement was okay. So after that you can see that how I cut it the same like the iron board is, and then after that I checked that the size is correct. I placed it and it was okay, and I can feel the difference. As you can see that now it's thick. So after that I stitch it and I attach all these layers, so it will not go anywhere if I don't attach this. So when I press the clothes it will move. So with this technique it will not move anywhere. So after that you can see that how it's now looking, and I check it again and I place it on the iron board and it was looking okay, and it was now thicker layer and it will not leave any marks.